Alrighty, so walked up on this one. They had it unplugged downstairs, breaker off. So plugged it in, turned the breaker on after I gauged up. Head pressure went through the roof instantly, which I already knew that because when you come over here, nothing. You can see it's all built up. So I'm pretty sure I got one of those motors in there. And then I labeled it 404 freezer. And then I labeled their 37-degree cooler. So this way, if you ever come back on the roof, people know. So, let me go see if I got this motor. And you guys already know we'll get everything brushed out and all that garbage. Old contactor plates and shit. All that'll get thrown away. Get everything nice. Nice and tidy. And I'll get this motor out and we'll see if we got it in the van. I think I do. Alright, let me get this little guy out of here. Just using my little guy. Just using the little guy. Alright. We'll get this bad boy cleaned off. Got the new motor in there. Got it dated with a gold marker. Got it dated around the band on the inside too. That'll probably wear off, but bracket, you don't need to put it that tight. Just snug it up. You don't need to crush the motor. So we'll take this. I'm gonna get this all cleaned off. And we'll get it put back in. This thing was all impacted. So, I actually picked up one of those brushes. I don't know. Figured I'd try it. Some soap bubbles. Check the coil. Get it all vacuumed out. Super tired of stepping. Alright. Ooh, rinse with a light spray of water. So let me go get my little spray bottle. Alright, let's scrub out. This one works really good. let me get the pan vacuumed out. Check out water there. Already got it all sprayed off. Okay, spray. Check the water off. Okay. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so I got this one, that one, and that one. So I'm gonna start with the ice machine. Wash mode. Put my chemical in. Let it go through its cycle. Go do this one. Go freezer. Get to rocking. Oh yeah. Get the brush. Gotta get the brush. Get all that cleaned up. Buckets. Brush. Doesn't seem like oil. I don't know. We'll double check. Let me get this all cleaned up. Alright, so made a nice mess. Yeah. What are you gonna do? So that thing is filthy. Let's see it. Yeah. So a couple screws. Take it out. Get it cleaned out. Coil's not too bad. Not too bad. Well, I might get a little spritz in there. And we'll make sure that we set our defrost timer. It is not that. Noon. It's 1:30. Okay, make sure you set those on the units unplugged. go clean that up. Got a sink. Alright. Trying to get it all scrubbed up. A little trick. Where did I do it? Right there. Yeah. That's how I mark it so I know what side goes on. So your nut goes right there, and that's how you know. Let me let that soak for a sec. Is this hot? What's hot? I feel it's cold to me. This one should be hot. Let me get it scrubbed up. Alright, I got the coil rinsed. Try to catch all the water. Not bad. Not too shabby. A bunch of stuff came out of there. That's good. Just like that. Got my ice machine on wash still. Fan blade came out real nice. That's cool. Just gotta get the motor scrubbed off. Ice machine. Let's brush this so I can get the motor scrubbed. Let me get this one scrubbed off real quick. Alright, got my defrost timer set. Setting. Coil is nice and clean. Fan blade is nice and clean. Got it all scrubbed up. We'll get our little panel put on there. A couple screws. Make sure you put everything back the way you found it. Alright. We'll get her turned on. She should run a lot better. Alright. Next one. Scrubbed up. Shrink. Alright, let me get my other brush. If I can really get in there. Alright, getting there. Fan blade all cleaned out. Go clean the shroud out now. Alright, this is an old one. Compressor's from 92. So I'm guessing that this thing might, I don't know, 83? I don't know, it's hard to tell. But came out pretty nice. Well, let's see if I can get my flash on. Go. Nice clean blade. Wipe down the whole unit. Look at that. That looks pretty good. Hey. Alright. Old Trolson. Alright. Alright, let me give it a few minutes to come on. Alright, well, I got that one put back together, nice and clean. Nothing crazy going on, so you guys have a nice day. See you later. Rock and roll. Hey, Bear. Bear. He's out of ice cream. Hey, Bear. Oh, he likes ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.